Very good morning, friends. Today me and my cousin going to Manchanabele Dam, which is around 27 to 28 kilometers from RR Nagar. Manchanabele Dam is a reservoir located about 40 kilometers west of Bengaluru and is constructed across the Arkavathi River. You will get little traffic near the Magadi bus stand. Just look how they break traffic rules, then we will complain against government and the traffic police. Roads are good, no traffic. Let me tell you a little about Manchanabele Dam. Manchanabele is a small village located on the outskirts of Bengaluru that is known for its picturesque dam and adjoining reservoir. It is a short 40 kilometers drive away from Bengaluru and has recently emerged as a popular weekend retreat for the people of the Bengaluru because of the peace, natural beauty and serenity offered by the place. Manchanabele Dam, which is sought out by travelers, adventurers, families and friends, is built over the Arkavathi River. It is a mighty reservoir that is used to promote farming and irrigation in the nearby areas. The presence of the reservoir has led to the formation of a beautiful lake on which activities such as boating and kayaking are conducted. It is also popular amongst the tourists because of the incredible natural beauty that one can witness near the Manchanabele Dam. Even though the reservoir was a popular place for people to explore and swim in, it is now cordoned off and cannot be accessed by the public because of a few incidents. However, the whole expanse of the lake and the reservoir can be seen from a distance and you can catch a stunning sunset from the vicinity of the lake. Because of the popularity of the place, several adventure resorts and retreats have sprung up. You can access Manchanabele Dam via Dabaguli village or from Magadi road, where you will find most of the accommodations in the area. It is a breathtaking place for a day trip or just a relaxing weekend outing. So beautiful, full of nature beauty.